The next diphthong we're going to work on is the O-U says ow. So when we're hearing that ow sound in these words, they're going to have the OU diphthong. If you want to give your child an extra challenge, you can take that scaffold off of telling them which diphthong it would be and have them try both, which one looks right when I'm reading, which one would be correct. So you don't have to tell them which diphthong you're using. If you want to give them an extra challenge, it's up to you. That's just what we would do in the classroom since this is the first time we're seeing this or spelling with it. So it's up to you how you want to do this with your kids. Our first word is going to look like this. So this word is out. Say the word out. Tap the word out. Ow. Next word, we've got a squiggle here and a squiggle here. This word is couch. Say the word couch. Tap the word k. Ouch. Couch. K. Ow. Ch. Couch. Next word is shout. Say the word shout. Tap the word sh. Ow. T. Shout. Sh. Ow. T. Shout. What you could do also is, if they've had this word done already, use out to spell shout. Use out to spell pout. Can always do that too. The last word we're going to work on and this is kind of interesting because I have a consonant blend at the end. It's an ending blend. So we're going to have two consonants at the end blending their sounds. This word is sound. Say the word sound. Tap the word s. Ow. S. Ow. Sound. So there is some coding with our diphthongs. We'll be right back with some sentence dictations for both OU and OW. So the last thing I have is a sentence dictation. This is really a good way to not only practice the phonics concept that we're working on, but also to practice the mechanics of a sentence, because that is still tricky for kids to remember at this age. Things like starting with a capital letter, making sure you have punctuation. So this is a good way to kind of double dip and get practice with both. You are going to see in just a second my sentence is coded, just to show you what the codes mean. When you see a mountain, this means that we're going to have a capital letter. For example, when you see a box, that means we need punctuation, whether it's a period, exclamation point, or a question mark. And then you might see some double solid lines. That means that the word is a sight word. It's a word that they should recognize just through constant exposure, that you can't necessarily sound out most of the time. I went ahead and I have my two sentences coded. If your child is practicing with me, they can go ahead and code their paper like mine. Let me back this up so you can see the whole. There we go. Okay. There. So you might notice that there's a couple of lines that I coded. That's because these have the diphthongs that we worked on this week. I usually only code the words that have the concept that we work on this week. And then in this one, the other two happen to be sight words, so I wouldn't code a sight word. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the sentence, then I'm going to tap each word and go ahead and get my sentence together. So my first sentence is actually going to be OW. And if you want to challenge your kids by figuring out if it's OW or OU, you can do that also. My sentence is the cow was brown. The cow was brown. The is a sight word, and I need to make sure my T is capital. The cow, ow. Was is a sight word. Brown, ow. And then I need a period to end my sentence. The cow was brown. My last sentence is practicing OU. This sentence is the sound is loud. So we'll tap it. The sound is loud. The capital T. For sound, S. Ow. And is sight word. Loud. L. Ow. D. And we need some punctuation. If you are doing this and your kids are practicing, come up with your own sentences. If you do that, I would make sure that the other words are not more difficult than the concept words that we're working on, because that's really the focus. If you need anything, want additional resources, reach out to your child's homeroom teacher. I know they would be more than happy to give you additional resources. This also goes along with our iReady reading lesson for this week, so hopefully this will kind of accompany what they're doing in iReady. I do thank you for taking the time to watch this, and for all that you're doing to help your kids while they're out of school. We do appreciate it. Thank you. Guys, have a good day. Bye.